Hello, my name is Sophia Espaillat, and this is my submission for Activity 3 for Rhetorical Theory and Practice in the summer 2020 session, like summer A session. So I chose this activity because I found it particularly relevant to the time right now. I think what sparked my interest is the fact that we are in a pandemic and a lot of what we interact with right now is very digital. As I'm speaking right now, we are facilitating some kind of communicational exchange through a digital space, and I think that this digital space is what needs to be researched more in terms of rhetoric and how it relates, who has access to it. So in a way, the internet has made it possible for people that would not have had the opportunity before to contribute. An example of this is what's going on right now. The Black Lives Matter movement is happening during a time of a pandemic, and a social action needs support physically. Now, there are people, granted, that are leaving their homes and are, facing the risk of the pandemic to contribute to this cause and these organizations. But what I think the internet has made possible is it has allowed people that maybe are immune compromised or have any other issues to be able to contribute through this digital space. And I think that this is a very key component to rhetorical theory, because now we're seeing a change in social movements and what is social action. It's more than just social action is more than just social. It was more than just action. It's also a digital action. It's not. It's more than just a physical action. It's a digital action. It's digital funding. It's so we're moving in a more digital realm. But I also want to emphasize, maybe in my own career path. So I am an English major. I would like one day to teach English. And I am wary of how, I guess, the times are changing to accommodate an online structure. And my concern would be making sure that every student that I have has access to internet or has access to a computer, allowing more voices from different backgrounds to be able to have the same access to learning and quality of learning as anyone else. So I think that the internet, in terms of rhetoric, is beneficial as long as it is accessible. And I think that's the key issue. So if